All right, welcome back, eSIM Studios. We have another case review for you for the Pixel 8 Pro, and it is the Spigen Thin Fit case. Now, we've had this case for about a week or so, but I've had this model for basically every phone I've owned in the past, the Spigen Thin Fit. Now, they typically only had this in black. And then probably last year, I think, is when they offered like a gunmetal, basically a super dark gray color variant of this case. And then this year, they offer this black gunmetal, and then there's like a fourth color variant. I'm not sure off the top of my head. I will link this case for you in the description box below. It'll be an Amazon link. We're not affiliated with Amazon, but I will put the link in there for you so you can check out the different colors. They have this for the Pixel 8 Pro as well as the 8. Very nice construction, very, very slim. That's why it's called the Slim Fit. But let's look at the construction of it. Now, this is pretty cool because this is a rare combination. You really don't see it that much in the case industry. So you basically have a hard polycarbonate PC plastic type backing, and then you have a soft silicone siding on the tops. See how squishy that is? So on the top, bottom, and both sides, it's a squishy silicone, and it's pretty cool because it allows for you, as you can tell. Let me move these phones so it doesn't focus on the phones. You can tell right here there's a line that goes all the way around it, and that is the molding of the hard plastic and the soft silicone border. Now, why do they do that? Well, for two reasons. For one reason, it's easier to put on and take off of your phone. They started making this construction, I want to say 2 years ago, somewhere around there. I'm sure Spigen will probably watch this, but I believe it was 2 years ago. I may be wrong, but before that, before they did the soft side, hard back combination, this whole case was just hard plastic. So it was pretty difficult putting in your phone and taking it out because it would just be hard to pop one of the corners off because this construction was so stiff. So now that they added this soft border around the phone, it makes it really easy to take on and take off. Now, the other reason for it is for drop protection. It allows the soft silicone border allows for impact absorption. When the inertia, boom, it allows to, basically absorb that impact so your phone doesn't have to. So it's a very, very, very nice construction. You have tons of support and coverage for your camera bar. You have this is really cool, the cutouts for the power, volume up, volume down. You got your mic cutout up top. Let's see, and a fairly big cutout for your USB Type-C cable there, and for the speakers at the bottom. Now, also on the inside, I'm not sure, those you see those, they go all the way around. I think that's in the construction of the case because this does not come apart, but I think they basically stamped it all the way around to hold the silicone border and the back plastic. I think that's what holds it in place, because I was wondering what that is used for or what purpose that has, but I think it's just to mold or combine those two different materials to make one case. But let's see if it has air pockets. Yep, it sure does. I see that air pocket in this corner here. You got an air pocket right there in this corner. It looks like another little air pocket for the top. You got one in this corner, and you got one in that corner. That's good. That's good. I love air pockets in corners because it means they just extra protection for if you drop the device. And it's got a little cutout there for the top of the phone. Now, I'm going to put this on both phones so you can see what it looks like. Let's go with this one first, the white one, since it is a good match. Let's see. Best way to do it too, snap in the bottom, make sure it sits in there good, and just pop it on like that. Wow, that looks nice. That looks real nice. So let's check it out. Nice, precise cutouts there. Shouldn't have any problem. Any USB Type-C cable should fit in there. Mic lines up perfectly up top. Let's listen to see if it's clicky. Hold it by the phone so you can hear. Very clicky. Cool. And then what else do we have? Do we have any labeling? We do have an engraved Spigen logo right there. And you got good camera bar protection, so you don't scratch your camera lens. It's just enough to where if you lay it down, it's not going to touch the surface you lay it down on. Doesn't wobble. That's good. Now let's look at the lip protection. As you can tell, cut out up here, there is a very, very small, very thin speaker up top and for your earpiece when on a phone call. Now this does provide, check this out. This Pixel, this white one, does not have a screen protector on it. This blue one, whoops, what the hell is that? Does have a screen protector on it. My God. So what I'm going to do is put the case on the blue one, and then we'll be able to tell if, man, what the hell I got on my phone? And then we'll be able to tell if it will work with a screen protector. Sorry about that. I cleaned it before, but I don't know what happened. So, anyways, okay. Let's see here. Now, this gives you a little lip on for screen protection. Not a lot. Not a lot. This Spigen rugged armor does give you a little lip protection. A little bit more, but that's because it's a little more rugged, or gives you more protection all the way around the case and the phone. So it does provide some lift here, some lift here, and let's see, some lift around the sides as well. So when you lay it face down, let's see if I can focus on it. There we go. It's not going to touch or scratch the screen. So you are protected all the way around the device. All four corners, all four sides, front and back, top and bottom. It's very nice. Now, let's try to take this out. All I do is pop one corner, pop two corners, just push it through just like that. Move that to the side. Now we'll try this one with the screen protector. Okay. Now this is not the Spigen screen protector, but we will order one and do an install with that as well. This is not the Spigen screen protector, but it should be about the same dimensions. Cool. So it does not interfere with this glass screen protector. It's close, but it does not interfere. Now let's see how much lip protection it provides with the added screen protector. Wow, just a teeny tiny bit. Still should lift off of the surface so you're not touching the screen. So that's the blue Pixel. And we do not have the black. We ordered 2 whites and 1 blue. Sure does look good though. Let me look at the screen again and see. Man, that's barely. Now, with this case, what's good about Spigen is if you are a multiple case user, you can basically use this case. Now, look, this is suitable for indoor usage. This case is suitable for indoors, office, work, I don't know about going to the gym. Probably if you have padded floors. Definitely office, definitely home. Now, if you change cases, if you're like me that have a case for inside the home, and then you change your case to when you leave the home to give you some added protection, this one's good for indoor use. And then once you get in the car and or go out of the home, this one gives you a little extra added protection. Now, they do have a more protective case. Now, we ordered it from their website, and it should be here, I believe, later this week or next week. So I will review that one. I think that's the core armor that we ordered. But this is like a medium protection. This is slim to, little protection to slim protection. Medium protection, and then I ordered a full protection they add, it's like this case, but they just add some more material around there, and they have a different design on there. But you can use this for the home, this one when you leave the home and or in the car, and I will review their heavy duty one here this upcoming week. But that is about it. Let me just put this back in here. Okay, so it is a tight fit. Somebody was saying in the comments of one of my other videos, if I could explain how tight some of these cases fit. Let's see. So as you can tell, it's a tight fit, but it's not so tight where you can't take it off. Very nice case. Very slim. Very nice looking. So, that'll do it for this. It's the Spigen Thin Fit, a classic case that they sell a ton of these, and that's a reason for that. It's because it's a very good constructed case. It's like half, what do I compare it to? It's like half silicone. Well, I showed you the construction, right? It's hard and then soft around the border. You're not going to really find that anywhere else. I've looked specifically in the past to see if I could find another case like that where it was hard on the back and then soft around the edges. Now, they say that on some of these case makers will say that, and then you get it, and it's like nothing what they described. This is everything they described and more. You cannot go wrong with this, with these Spigen cases. They're money every single time. So I do appreciate the time, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. I got a lot more stuff on the way. Peace.